Guys, we're doing garlic rosemary air fried wings in my Ninja Foodi Grill coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. So what are we doing here today? We got some wings, air fried wings, in my Ninja Foodi Grill. I know it grills, but it also bakes, roasts, and air fries, and dehydrates. It does a lot of stuff. All right, guys? What?
Will it do the dishes?
It does not do the dishes.
Then I'm out.
All right, guys, so we're gonna use a little minced garlic and a little bit of rosemary from our garden and just make a wonderful sauce, a little butter sauce for it. It's awesome. You're gonna love it. Give it a go. There's a little typing in the background because Mrs. CJ is doing some work.
Somebody's got to work around here.
Somebody's got to work around here. Anyhow, I'm gonna bring you guys over to the Ninja Foodi Grill station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Come on back. All right, guys, we're over here. We're gonna get this thing on my Ninja Foodi Grill. We're gonna get it on. Air crisp 390. We're gonna do 22 minutes. These wings are partially frozen. I'm gonna spray a little canola oil in the basket, and then I'll spray the top of the wings too. So like I said, these are partially frozen. I let them defrost a little bit. These are some pretty big old meaty party wings. Got my favorites, the flats. All right, last one. Okay, spray the tops down. A little bit of that canola oil. And just because I like a little salt, I'm gonna add a little bit of kosher salt on the top. Just bring out a little extra crunchiness to it. All right, shut this bad boy down, hit start. Well, we're gonna go through the preheating process and start to cook. I didn't let it preheat. My bad.
Good job.
Good job. Go me. Either way, it preheats relatively quickly. We're going to check it halfway through, and we'll do a little flippage in there. So what we're gonna do in here, this is gonna be for our garlic rosemary sauce that we're gonna cover the wings in. Got one stick of butter. Get my hand out of the way. All right, one stick of butter. The ingredients be down below, don't worry. A teaspoon of freshly chopped rosemary. Got a full-on tablespoon of garlic because we love our garlic here. We hate vampires. Come on. All right. Then we got about a teaspoon of fresh cracked black pepper. Throw that in. And we're gonna bring this up on the stove to a simmer. Gonna let all the flavors perfume the butter. It's gonna be good to go. All right, come on back. Okay, we got this garlic rosemary butter sauce melted down. We're giving this a pretty good simmer in there. I actually kind of want to fry the garlic and the rosemary bits just a little bit, not to burn it, just enough to kind of add a little crunch, a little different flavor texture to it. So, but keep an eye on it. You got to keep it stirring. Don't let these burn. This is about ready. It only takes like a minute or two. Garlic is minced, so it's really low. And once it gets done, we're just going to turn it off and let it set till the wings are done. Okay, guys, we're a little more than halfway through. We're looking pretty good. Do a little flipperoo. Is that a word? Flipperoo? Is that a thing? No one's using flipperoo? Alright. These are coming along just fine. Looking good. Alright. Another 5 minutes, we'll flip them back, and we'll be done. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and temp these out. It's been another 5 minutes. We're looking for 165. Okay, these are way over. We're good. These things are done. Okay, so we're gonna do one more thing. We're gonna toss these in the sauce and then air fry them for another couple minutes to set that sauce. All right, guys, we're gonna get these out of here and get them in the bowl. Do a little tossy toss. Yeah, what's going on? Toss. Is this wife cam?
Yep.
What are you doing? You working hard over there?
You made me come in here.
Oh. Oh, I wanted you to see what we're doing here. We got, look at these wings. I'll even show it to my camera too. Look at those wings. They smell good. And then our garlic rosemary sauce, little butter sauce. It does smell good too. So what we're gonna do over here, I gotta make sure I'm framed up. I'm gonna take a little bit of this. It's a little bit. Why are you?
There's definitely no vampires tonight.
There's no vampires tonight. But at least we'll both smell. I mean, tastes good.
I didn't say I was eating them.
You're not gonna try this? How dare you? Alright, that should be enough. We're gonna leave a little bit. I think that was, like you said, enough.
Vampires.
We're gonna leave a little bit for the vampires. Alright, let's get these. Can you stop filming now, please? Look at,
Tossy toss the wing.
you want to see tossy toss?
Tossy toss.
Got a little garlic on me.
Right, that's straight on your shirt.
Oh, it happens. Alright, these are well coated. Get out of there.
Hey, you're welcome.
Thanks. Appreciate you. Get these back in here and just kind of set that sauce a little bit. Fire it up. Get that skin side down. Oh man, these are looking good, smelling good. You know these flats are my favorite. Crispy. We're gonna make it all crispy. Come on back. Okay guys, the sauce is set. We're nice and browned up in here. Get a little close up to that. Look at that. Oh, good stuff. Let's get this plated up. Take a bite. Take a thumbnail, and we'll talk about it. Come on back. Okay, we got the thumbnail taken. Now it's trying to bite into one of these bad boys. Oh, look at that. Perfectly cooked. Good. Hot. That garlic's prevalent. Little hint of that rosemary. Not bad. That was good.
It seems a little warm, babe.
It's hot. Good. All right, guys, gotta give this a try. All right, guys, that was awesome. Those wings turned out just fabulous. And what I did at the end there is I took that butter sauce, that little leftover that we didn't use, put it back on the stove and crisped up that garlic a little bit, spread it over the top. Oh, fabulous. I love that kind of garlic. Little fried garlic, not burnt. You don't want burnt because it's gonna be bitter, but fried garlic, oh, so good. That's it for this time. If you're looking to get one of these Ninja Foodi Grills, as always, links below. Doesn't cost you anything more to buy it through my Amazon store, but it helps out the channel. So if you're gonna do it down there. The ingredients and the prep will be down below too, so hit show more, you can check it out. Guys, if you want any cooking with CJ merch, show more. Everything is show more. Go down in the description and get everything you need and more that we use in our kitchen here. All right, really appreciate you. Have a great week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.